Well, it's tradition to keep the Christmas tree decorations up through the stock show, but since there's no stock show and since it's particularly cold out there right now, we need another reason to leave the lights on.
And we have something in mind. Here to explain is the usually asleep by now, Nicole Brady. Hey, Nicole.
You're right, Jessica. Normally I am reporting on the early morning show, but tonight I get to enjoy the holiday lights, and we do have a great reason for everyone to keep their lights up a little bit later into 2021. It's called the Keep Up Your Lights for Holiday, or for Healthcare Heroes, I should say. So whether you have an elaborate light display like this one or just a few twinkle lights in your window, you are urged to keep the lights on till January 31st. Let them shine to brighten all of our spirits for the next month. It takes several days to set up 47 inflatables and hundreds of lights.
Each year we go out and we buy more and more to add on to it.
But usually a lot less time to take it all down.
But right around mid-January, I'll start taking it down.
This year, Robert Baird says he's willing to keep his impressive display going for a couple extra weeks as part of the national Keep Your Lights Up for Healthcare Heroes campaign.
We really want to get the community involved in supporting our caregivers, so even now that Christmas is done.
A simple gesture to show support for these workers. And it's not that much longer than the tradition in Denver, which is to leave the holiday lights up through the National Western Stock Show, usually the third week in January. One of the heroes at the Medical Center of Aurora feels the lights can be a boost for everyone during this dark time.
Christmas came by, and look what? It put cheers on everybody's faces. The lights are beautiful. It brings life. It's light. It's lively.
A way to recharge our batteries and get us through what we hope will be the final months of the pandemic.
We're not out of the woods yet, but we do definitely feel the hope and see the light at the end of the tunnel.
So if you see the lights up longer this year, don't roll your eyes at your neighbors. Know they probably have a good reason.
For the community and for the people, they drive by every year and remember our house, and we enjoy being in that house. So.
And I have to say, we sort of randomly found this house today, but a nurse lives in this house. So this was just a really great house to find and show support for healthcare workers. We know these lights will be up through the end of January. Aurora, the city of Aurora, tells me it will leave the lights on at the municipal building until the end of January as well to show support for this. We're live in Centennial tonight. Nicole Brady, Denver 7.
Beautiful lights. Thank you, Nicole.